ChatGPT. It writes essays, codes websites, answers exams, generate images, and even make memes. But how does it understand actually what we say? Is it thinking? Is it copying the internet? Or is it just pretending to be smart? In this video, I'll break down exactly how ChatGPT works in simple terms. And trust me, by the end, you'll be able to understand clearly on how ChatGPT works internally. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start simple. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot created by OpenAI. It's based on a model called GPT, which stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. Sounds complicated, right? Let's break down. Generative means it creates text. It doesn't just copy. Pre-trained means it's already trained on massive text data before you even use it. Transformer is a type of neural network architecture that it uses. Think of it as the brain design behind ChatGPT. Imagine you're reading an article on the website or a book, then you would start noticing patterns, right? Like which words usually come together and what sentences make sense. That's what exactly ChatGPT does. It learns patterns of language using something called machine learning. If you want to learn more about machine learning, I made a dedicated video on that. The link is in the description. During training, the model looks at billions of sentences and learns to predict what word comes next. For example, if I say the sky is, it knows the next likely word is blue. That's why we call it a language prediction model. Now let's look at ChatGPT's brain, the neural network. Think of it as layers of digital neurons inspired by how our human brain works. Each layer processes text and passes it to the next layer, slowly understanding meaning and its context. When you type something like explain black holes like I'm 5, ChatGPT neurons don't understand black holes, but they have seen millions of sentences about them. So it predicts a response that sounds natural and accurate. So how does ChatGPT is so natural and human? That's thanks to its context awareness. When you chat, it doesn't just look at your last sentence. It considers the entire conversation to make sense of your intent. For example, if you say, "What's the capital of India?" and then follow up with "What's the population there?" ChatGPT knows there means New Delhi because it tracks context like a real conversation. That's why it feels like it's thinking, but it's not. It's just predicting the most likely word sequence that fits your prompt. But here's what most people don't understand. ChatGPT doesn't know facts. It doesn't have emotions, beliefs, or understanding. It doesn't even know the year unless you tell it. It just forms the sentences that sounds right based on the patterns it has seen before. That's why sometimes it gives the wrong answers confidently. It's not lying, it's just predicting. So always remember, ChatGPT is smart with language, but not with logic. Even with its limits, ChatGPT has changed how we work, study, and create. From writing code to generating ideas, it's like a powerful assistant that can do almost anything within seconds. And this is just the beginning. The future is full of AI. AI? Are you wondering what is AI? Then make sure you watch this video out there which fully explains what is artificial intelligence. So now you know ChatGPT doesn't think, it just predicts. But that simple idea has changed the entire world of AI. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment what topic you would like to see in my next video. Thanks for watching. This is Akhilan signing off. I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.